So, 2 years old na nga si Elizabeth and I decided it's time for her to learn the colors. Kaya naman, nagprint ako ng favorite niya animals. It's a duck. And as you can see, meron siyang 9 colors. I just found this pictures sa Google. So, pwede siyang i-print or pwede nyo rin siyang i-drawing dun sa mga walang printer. And then, I cut it and to make it waterproof, pwede nyo siyang i-laminate kung may laminator kayo. Pero, tipid tips, ginamitan ko siya ng scotch tape. Yung malaking scotch tape. Yan. So, didikitan ko yung harap, didikitan ko rin yung likod. So, bakit nga ba ducks? Siyempre, since my daughter love ducks, yun na yung ginamit ko. Mas matutuwa siya. Alam yun, iba kasi if there is fun and learning. Pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang yun, 100% matututo yung anak mo. Kaya naman, ginamit ko ang ducks. Well, itong ginagawa ko is not necessary. I just made this to make it waterproof since yung anak ko is, alam niyo namin, may times kung saan-saan niya na ilalagay yung mga gamit. May times andyan yung inumin. So, para mas matagal niyang magamit. And maganda rin magamit to during bath time. So, make sure nakasealed siya. So, mas maganda naman talaga at advisable ang laminated. Pero dahil tipid tayo, yan, scotch tape yung ginamit ko. Tunay na maaaliw si little one since gamitin niyo yung mga favorite nila. For example, your little ones love frog, alligator, fruits, or they love eggs, use their favorite food. This one, ginamit ko talaga yung ducks para sa kanya. Dalawa yung pinrint ko. Isa para sa ikakat ko and isa para doon sa ilalagay ko sa clear book. Kung saan, bubuksan na lang ni little one and then, tadan! Ma-match na yung mga colors. By matching this, of course, she will recite it. We will name each colors habang minamatch namin. O, diba? Nag-enjoy na, natututo pa. Thank you for watching! So, let's check kung gaano ka-effective itong ginawa ko. Actually, maraming beses na niya itong nagamit. This video is created 4 months ago. Yeah, 4 months. And, ayan. Very effective. Actually, aside from this, I'll be uploading more. Hopefully, God willing. And maraming salamat sa mga nanood at nanonood. And thank you so much for all the support. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment para mabalikan ka ang inyong bahay. Until my next video, bye! Oh, what color is this? Time burst. What color is that? What color is your duck? Let's show it to them. What color is this?
Tingnan mo.
Saan yan? No. No. Andun sa gilid. There you go. What's the color?
Pink.
Ayan, pink. That's white.
Me a dog. Tatlong dog.
Ducks in the bed. And the little one said, "Oh, is that pink? Uh-oh. Saan yung pink?
My sweet.
Where are you going to put the pink one?
I'll choose.
Pink. Where is the pink one? There you go. I am blue.
I am blue. I am blue. What color is that?
In blue. Don't
Blue.
be loud.
How about this one?
Green.
Green. Huh? Ano color yan?
Gray.
Yay! Ate, look! Wow, good girl!